It's time to bring the big bird out. This Christmas, I want to do something special for Christmas masala menu. So I come with this idea of doing a Shahi Turkey masala. So the biggest challenge, of course, will be to keep the turkey juicy. And as the recipe unfolds, you see minute techniques that will make it really juicy and succulent. How to keep it moist lies in how you cut your meat. Never cut it straight. You have to cut on a slant. It's time to marinate. एक spoon दे देना भाई. So I'm trying to use little bit of dry sage into it. Learning in the Western kitchens, I always heard onion and sage stuffing with turkey. On the Christmas day also we used to go to churches because they give cakes. So I'm going to now leave it for good amount of time, say about an hour, and then we come back and we do the second marination. Have your tea break, have your chai. Now we are on step 2 of making this great gastronomical delight. With Indian cooking, when we don't have cream, we also use yogurt to do the creamy work, the moistening of a curry. So now the marinade is ready. Mr. Turkey comes back to the scene. So Mrs. Marinade, Mr. Turkey, marriage is happening in front of your eyes. Vibrant red color. Let it rest and enjoy its honeymoon. So we are making a Shahi masala. It's aromatic. Shahi means royal, so you need to have royal ingredients into it. Some cardamom, a blade of mace, rose petals. Oh, they're really fragrant. A lot of saffron to it. Shahi curry is actually done on this yogurt-based marinade. Now we are using brown onion paste. It's very Mughlai, very Shahi because it's called barista. So we actually fry the onions and use it, blended it. Yes, nice big chunks of turkey tikka. And I'm placing them in gaps so that it cooks 360. So that goes into tandoor. Little bit of basting, you see, it's looking more juicier. The chard is quite visible, right, and that's done. Now we'll finish it in the sauce. It looks very juicy. And when it goes in the sauce, it gives it extra moisture. So that is a sign of a good curry, that it has the oil is separated from it. And that's what a Mughlai cuisine is also all about. There's always a rogan, a layer of oil on top. Add the masala we made. Now just give it a gentle mix and finish off with kevda water. You know, not a lot, just to give it that Shahi flavor. Here we go. That's our Shahi Turkey masala for you to enjoy it. Christmas masala menu this Christmas. Book your table now.